iPhone users are always bragging, saying Android phones are slow, laggy.
It is smoky, Igbo.
Probably they are yet to hear about some flagships Android phones. Well, I have seen several iPhones that beat many Androids, and also some Android even iPhone 14 Pro Max can't come close to.
It is taking the
But in my own case, I'll always go for value for money. But that's not where we are going today. In today's video, I would like to share with you or remind you if you are moving from an Android phone to an iOS. Let me just say iPhone because Chigozie will start asking me questions now. One. There are several things you can do on an Android device which are still somehow limited on iOS or iPhones.
I'm a man of the people.
The number one is customization. Android offers a high degree of customization, such as changing the default launcher, using widgets, and customizing the notification center. In contrast, iOS or iPhones only allows limited customization, with users only able to customize the home screen layout. The number two on the list is app installation. Android allows users to install apps from third-party source. For example, you can install applications from your Google Chrome, from your Opera Mini, and many more. But whereas in iOS, only allows apps from the App Store. If you're not installing from the App Store, you can't install. The number three is expandable storage. Android devices often have a micro SD card slot, which allows users to expand their storage capacity. In contrast, iOS devices do not offer expandable storage. My number four is multi-window support. Android allows users to run two apps side by side, which is easier to multitask. iOS only recently added this feature, and it is still limited to certain iPad models. My number five, default apps. On Android, users can set their own preferred default app for certain tasks such as browsing the web or handling emails. iOS only allows Apple's own apps to be set as the default for these tasks. My number six is file management. Android allows users to browse and manage files on their devices, including access to the system file directory. In contrast, iOS or iPhone does not offer a built-in file manager. My number seven, system-wide automation. Android has built-in automation features that allow users to create custom workflows to automate tasks. iOS has this shortcut app, which provides some automation capabilities, but it is not as extensive as Android's built-in features. My number eight, I think this one is my favorite. Split screen mode. Android allows users to split their screen into two, with each half displaying a different app. The feature is not allowed on an iOS. My number nine, custom ROMs. Android device can be rooted and flashed with custom ROMs, which can significantly change the look and functionality of the operating system. This level of customization is not possible on iOS. My number 10, Google Assistant integration. Android devices come with Google Assistant, which can be integrated with various apps and services. While Siri is available on iOS, it is not as tightly integrated with the third-party apps like Android. After watching this video, do you still want to go for the iPhone?
Oh my God! Wow!
Drop your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. God bless.